Hey YouTube, it's Faye. And for today's video, I just finished up a 30K maintenance service on this lovely 2018 Toyota Tundra. And so now it's time to reset the maintenance required light. So I'm gonna show you how to do that. And in case you haven't noticed, don't mind my terribly bloodshot eye. I got pecked by one of the chickens, but it's okay. I'm in recovery now, kind of. Ugh. Okay. Anyways, onto the reset procedure. Let's start by putting the key into the ignition and turning it to accessory mode. And then it's rudely going to tell us here in a second that the maintenance is required and that you should go to your dealership. But you know, you don't have to do that. So I'm going to start by pushing the back button till I get to this screen. And you can see that there's a bunch of different menus here, so you can just scroll around here and you can see that as I hit the next button that I'm going all over the place. And I want to go to here. This is settings. So I'm going to go down now, right here to vehicle settings, hit enter, and hitting the down button to maintenance reset. Once again, hitting the center button is enter, and it asks me if I want to reset. And I say yes. Cool. Okay, and that's literally it. So easy a chicken could do it. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye!